Chemistry Learn with Fun with your lovely friend, teacher, mentor, Siksha ma'am.
Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn about atomic structure. But first I would like to say that whenever you learn any science subject like biology, physics, chemistry, so we have to keep some questions in your mind. We have to generate some questions in your mind. First is what and the second is how. Secondly, we are learning here science subject, not any language. Science is a conceptual subject. So, first understand the concept and don't learn just question and answer type any language. Okay? Now, let's start. Today's topic is atomic structure. Now, as I said before, what is atomic structure? So, first we should know what is an atom. Like, we have to know about atom. Atom is the smallest particle of any element, of any matter. Each atom has a central nucleus and one or more electrons that travels in orbits around the nucleus. Okay. Now, I explain above concept by this figure that we have to use another page. Okay? Yeah. Any atom has 5 parts. First is electron. Then second is proton. Third is neutron. Neutron. Nucleus. Nucleus. And fifth is orbits. Okay? Orbits. Yeah. Okay. Now, first, what is that? That says nucleus, which have neutron and proton. Then, nucleus is surrounded by the orbits like this, and in these orbits, what is present in these orbits? There are some electrons. Okay, some electrons. Okay. Now, what is that? There are electrons, then this is proton, this is neutron, that red circle is nucleus, and these yellow circles are orbits. Okay, these 5 parts of any atom. You can click and screenshot. First, central part. Central part of any atom is known as nucleus. Nucleus has proton and neutron. And second is proton. Proton, what is proton? Proton is a positively charged ions which present inside the nucleus in any atom. Neutrons. Neutrons is subatomic particles which had no charge and a mass which is equal to the proton. The mass of an atom is the sum of mass of the neutron and the mass of the proton. Okay, now another particle of an atom is orbits. Orbits are called energy level. These yellow circles are called energy levels, are called orbits. We can denote it K, second circle L, M, and so on. K, L, M, N. And we can say like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, the last particle is of any atom is the electron. The electron present in every orbits and every shell of an atom. Let us see in brief what we learned today. Atom is an ionic particle we can't see with the naked eye. Scientists used powerful microscope. Everything is exists in our universe is made up of an atom. Atom made by subatomic particle. Atom consists central nucleus that contains proton and neutron. Proton is positively charged and neutron has no charge. This makes the nucleus positively charged. Electrons have a negative charge because electrons are negatively charged and the nucleus is positively charged. Their attraction creates each other like gravity consistent planet and the sun. What about mass and size? Mass. Proton and neutron have same mass, but the mass of electron is much less than proton. In fact, electrons are 2000 times lighter. Let's talk about size. Size measured by the radius. Radius of outermost shell from the center. Radius of an atom is typically equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. It is very small. Majority of mass, it depends on nucleus, but in terms of size, nucleus is much smaller than the whole atom. Now looking at the electron in more details. Negatively charged electrons over around travel in positively charged nucleus. Different atom has different number of shell. Each shell has a specific energy level. Electron must possesses a certain amount of energy. Electrons which presents nearest to the nucleus has least energy. Instead, electrons which present in outermost shell has highest energy. In other words, electrons over the nucleus is similar to the planets over the sun. Now, in next lesson, we will learn about what is the valency and how regulates and how travel the electrons in the orbits of any atom. Okay beta? Okay students, bye. Bye bye.
केमिस्ट्री लर्न विथ फन से जुड़े रहने के लिए डोंट फॉरगेट लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें. कीप लर्निंग.